Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve the 3 assignments of week 3. Before going to presentation, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. In assignments, is there any changes in the answers will be notified in the comment section before the due date of the particular assignments, and it's helpful to others and support to them. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In last video we solved the assignment 3 question number 2. In this video we are going to solve the assignment 3 question number 3. Okay, the due date is 16th of this month, that is the February. Then what is the problem they have to given? In this question the output, okay, we can get moving to average. That means two moving averages of a sequence of non-negative numbers you can take. That means the two moving average is the sequence of averages of the last two entries. What is the two entries we can given? Then the first number, that is a no average, is output. For example, if you can give the sequence numbers A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, then two moving average is nothing but A1 plus A2 by 2 as well as A2 plus A3 by 2 plus A3 plus A4 by 2 and then A4 plus A5 by 2. That is the input you have to give. See. Now what is the input you have to give here? What is the output you can get? See, for example. Now what is the input? The input is a sequence of non-negative floating point numbers and the input is terminated by the -1. And -1 is a part of the sequence. There will be at least 3 numbers in a sequence. You can take the minimum of 3 numbers as a input. Then we have the output of moving average of the sequence. The output should be printed correct to the 1 digit after the decimal. For the int you can using the 0.1 as a floating point inside the printf function you have to use it. Suppose for example you can give what is the input, you can give the sequence of 4 digits. That means I can want to calculate 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 2 by 2 and then 2 plus 4 by 2. That means 1 plus 3 means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means you can get the 2.0 and 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means you can get the 2.5 and 6 by 2, that is the 3.0. That is the output you want to get. For this problem we have to solve here. I can write the implement the program in C. Just you can see. You can write the simply logic. You can see what is the logic you can take here. Here I can get the two inputs. That is the one input is a x0, another input is the x1, and I can read initially x1 value. Suppose what is the x1 value? I can read, suppose x0 value initially I can read. Suppose x0 value is a 2, and I can using the while loop, you can scan of read, and then in this while loop I can read the x2 value. What is the x2 value? Suppose I can read the next input as a 3, and if x equal to -1, why? Because the sequence of number will be terminated by the -1. Suppose if now what is the x1 value? X1 value is a 3. 3 is not equal to, right, -1. It is a false. Then here I can print it is a 0.1 of what is the, I can calculate x0. What is the x0 value? 2 plus what is the x1 value? 3. That is the 2 plus 3 whole divided by 2.0. What is the 5? 5 by 2 means you can get the output as a 2.5 for the first sequence. Next again I can swap the value. That is the x0 equal to x1. That means what is the x1 value recently I can get, that will be swapped into the x0. Now x0 value is the 3. Now again is a loop, again it repeats. Suppose I can read one more input. Now what is the x1 value? Now I can read the x1 value as just suppose 3. Suppose otherwise 2. I can read the 2 value as a x1 value as a 2. Now if x1, what is the x1 value? 2. 2 is also not equal to -1. Now we can print f 0.1 of what is the x0. Now x0 is the previous as a 3 plus what is the x1 value? I can read 2. 3 plus 2 means 5. 5 by 2 means I can get the value as a, again suppose 2.5. Now again I can swap the value of which value? X1 is copied into the x0. Now x0 will be 2. Now suppose again loop. Now I can read. Now what is the x1 value? Suppose x1 value is a 4. I can read. Now 4 is also not equal to -1. Right? It is a false. Then print. What is the x0? X0 is a 2. 2 plus what is the x1 value? 4. 4 by 2 means 6. 6 means we can get the output as a 3.0. That means I can get the for 3 inputs. What is my 3 inputs? 2, 3, 2. Right? And then suppose 4. For this one I can get the output as a 2.5, 2.5 and then 3.0. That is the average I have to calculate it. Right? I think so. It is easy. Now we have to verify whether it will be working or not. Right? Just I have to save my code and I have to compile and run. Then see whether the local test cases will be satisfied or not. Here they have to give the only one local test case. It is satisfied. This is my input is 1324. That is a 1 plus 2. 4 by 2 means 2.0. That is we can get. And then 3 plus 2 5. 5 by 2 means 2.5. And 2 plus 4 means 6. 6 by 2 means 3.0. That is the actual output. And we can get the 2.0, 2.5 and 3.2. It will be satisfied. And this is presentation some syntax. And we have to submit for the private test cases. Here it is also it will be pass all the test 4 cases. Right? I think this will be understood to everyone. This is the logic for implementation of the question number 3 in the assignment 3. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for the watching my video. Please subscribe and support. Thank you.